Okay. And tell me your animals?
Yeah.
Okay, what's that?
Color.
Well, I want you to tell me what it is.
Dolphish. Dolphish.
Jellyfish?
Yeah, jellyfish.
Can we do another one?
Yeah.
Okay, this way. What do you see?
Grasshopper.
Grasshopper?
Yeah.
What's that?
This. See? This.
Seal? Yep.
This.
That is a bird. What's that?
This. This.
I think that's a moose.
This. Huh?
What is that?
Spider.
Spider?
This. Say with me. Huh?
What letter is it?
O.
Oh, right.
This. T.
J?
J. This. C.
S.
S. This. E.
B.
B. White. This.
N.
N. White. This.
B.
B. O.
U.
This. Yeah. Yeah. U. This. This.
S.
This.
P.
This.
S. F.
This.
F. Q. N. F. Good job. Ooh, what's that?
This.
What is that?
Snake.
Snake.
This.
What's that?
Oh, that one.
I know. What is it?
Hippo.
Hippo? No.
Yeah.
No. Try again.
Dolphin.
Dolphin?
Yeah.
No. Whale.
Yeah, well. I can see dolphin.
What's that?
Penguin.
Penguin.
I'm going to zoo. I did zoo. I'm going to zoo.
You want to go to the zoo?
Yeah.
Well, we can't go today. Maybe soon, though, okay?
Can get warmer at the zoo.
Hmm?
Oh, get warmer.
Yeah, when it gets warmer. What's that?
Zebra.
Zebra. Hi. Say hi, Aunt Heidi.
Hi, Heidi. Who's see?
You can't see.
Oh,
Here, let's do this one. Who's that?
Saggy.
Shaggy. Who's that?
Daphne.
Daphne.
Bama.
Velma.
Gibby.
Scoopy.
Mommy. Good. Oh, this.
Okay. Who's that?
Gibby.
It's all blurry. Look. Who's that?
I was here.
Who is that?
Fred.
Fred.
What do you do next time?
What's that?
Zombie.
Zombie?
Yeah.
What's that?
Cow.
Clown. What's that?
Ghost.
Ghost.
Saggy.
Shaggy. Wait, let's go this way. I skipped one. Okay. What's that?
Ghost.
Mm-mm.
Witch.
Witch, right.
Bama.
Velma.
Fred. Daphne. Ghost.
Mm-mm.
Okay, me.
Vampire.
Oh, better. Okay. Daddy. Gibby.
Let's skip one.
Zombie.
Mm-mm.
Ghost.
Mm-mm.
Bacon zone.
Frankenstein, right?
Bama.
Okay, all done?
Mommy, it goes to the top page. Deck page. Mama, it's a deck page.
Next page?
Yeah.
Okay, last one.
This. Tell me.
Zombie. All done.
Mommy.
The video's too long. It's going to take forever to upload.
Dad.
You want to tell Aunt Heidi something?
It's a page.
Do you want to tell Aunt Heidi something?
Yeah.
What do you want to say?
She's saggy.
No, what do you want to tell Aunt Heidi? You want to say something to Forrest?
Yeah.
What do you want to say? Come here, tell the camera.
I get gay.
Huh?
I get gay.
Uncle Gray?
Yeah.
Come here. Talk to the camera. What do you want to say?
Forest.
Forrest?
Yeah.
Say hi, Forrest.
Hi, Forest.
Say hi. Who else?
Lisa.
Alyssa?
Yeah.
Who else?
I get gay.
Uncle Gray?
Yeah.
Who else?
I don't see.
You can't see. If you see, then I won't be video taping you.
Baby.
Bye.